Hello friends, my name is Param and today I have programmed food menu system in RoboFun Lab Ahmedabad using EV3 Brick. In this program I have taken 5 food items. If we click any of the food items, it will show the name of the food plus its price and its price respectively. After then it will show the message of your order has been successfully placed at table number 1 to 10 randomly. After then it will show the bill of the food item plus 5% GST, and at last it will show the menu of appreciation. Let me show you a demo. If I click any of the button, it will show the bill and table number. See, if I click this, I will show you another demo. If I click press the middle button, and it will show for cookies. Thank you.